video, I'm going to dive in and I'm going to talk about 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that you could use to create medium content books as well as high content books. Now, before we get started, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new daily videos, and also stay tuned for more videos, step-by-step tutorials on how to make money using Amazon KDP, as well as creating digital products and print-on-demand products for Redbubble and Etsy as well. So there will also be a 30-day free trial for you to take advantage of, linked in the description box below, where it takes you to Creative Fabrica, 30-day free trial, all access. For 30 days, you can access KDP interiors, KDP keywords, as well as graphics to use in your interior and cover creation process. So take advantage of Creative Fabrica's 30-day free trial, linked in the description box below. Now, with that being said, let us head straight to the first keyword for the day. And our first keyword for the day is things kids need to know. Things kids need to know has a wonderful keyword niche score of 57 by Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension, and also a number 7 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. So when it comes to the keyword niche score, both of the main Chrome extensions that we are using agree to the keyword niche score and complement beautifully. Coming to the total results, they are within the acceptable range that we want it to be, preferably within that 1,000 to 2,000 range, anything in between and under 5,000. This keyword right here sits at a total results of 2,580. Coming to the average bestseller rank, it is slightly above what we want it to be, which is the max is under that 400,000 range. It is currently sitting at 533,867. So there's a couple of strategies I will be talking about in this video in regards to this keyword for how can you get your book to rank well with a bestseller rank being slightly above the higher range that we are used to as well. And also the average reviews is this for this book is 853. Average price is sitting beautifully at $9.11. Another thing that we want is to find a minimum of 2 to 3 books on the first page that are not sponsored, that have a bestseller rank of under 100,000, which means that they're selling quite well and consistently as well. Scrolling down, we've got our first book with a bestseller rank of 4,295. This one is selling around 750 copies per month, generating around 3,489, and it's like a fact book. It says 101 things every kid needs to know. Currently ranked as number 1 for children's first aid book, also number 5 in children's safety books, and number 5 in children's personal hygiene books. This is so we know if we create a similar book such as this one, of course not to copy, but to seek inspiration, what kind of categories are best for our book in order to get it ranking well. Also, this book has been published in just under a year, and it has this beautiful category right over here, as in like the rating as well, with the bestseller rank under 100k as without any current ads running. Scrolling down as well, we have another book that is within the acceptable range. Of course, no ads are running. It is not sponsored, and here it's sitting at 3,617, and it is 101 things every boy needs to know, important life advice for teenage boys. So they've decided to niche down to boys and specifically to teen boys as well. Now, this one is selling around 840 copies per month, generating $3,182. Scrolling down, we found our third book as well, not sponsored, with a bestseller rank of 16,641, titled How to Be a Person, 65 hugely useful, super important skills to learn before you're growing up. And this one is selling around 330 copies on a monthly basis, generating approximately $1,262. Again, we found our our fourth book with a bestseller rank under 100k, and this one's 54,399. It's currently titled Everything You Need to Know When You Are 8. So they've decided to use and utilize this wonderful keyword, things kids need to know, to sub niche to children who are 8 years old, and it's a handbook as well. Another book right here, 2,235 is the bestseller rank as well, and 20,000 as the bestseller, 16,000 is the bestseller. We've got these two are sponsored. We also have 37,000 for the book titled Everything That You Need to Know When You Are 9. So they've specifically created a series of books titled Everything You Need to Know, and they've niched down on each individual book based on the age group, and this is selling also beautifully as well. Just more than halfway through the page, we've found 5 books with the best BSR under 100,000. Now, if you are concerned about the average bestseller rank being in the 500s, then you could niche down, as you saw in the examples, based on age groups, based on the gender, whether it's a boy or girl, based on the age phase, as in like teenagers, preschoolers. We've got also based on what the likes and the hobbies of these children. You can also do an adult version as well, and that will really help cut down through the average bestseller rank. Also, if you have any book that's currently published that is revolving around things to know, fact book, anything factual and educational, you can go ahead and add this wonderful keyword to your 7 keyword slots in order to get it ranking under this page as well. So let's dive in and have a look at the second keyword for the day. Our second keyword for the day is also a great one, titled 100 Things Every Kids Need to Know and Practice. Now, this is specifically for kids. It has a keyword niche score of number 6 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. Also coming to the total results, they are 87, which is fabulous. The lower the better. The average bestseller rank is also within the acceptable range, so it's under that 400,000, and it is currently averaging 271,991. We've got an average whooping reviews of 1,966 and an average price of $12.42. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to ignore the 11 given by Titans as the keyword niche score, because it contradicts this wonderful data that right over here. Total results in the acceptable range, bestseller rank within the range that we want it to be, really good amount of reviews and a good amount of price, which results in a great royalty as well per sale. Scrolling down, we want to aim to find books that are not sponsored that have a bestseller rank under 100,000. We found our first one with a bestseller rank of 46,584. This one's selling around 120 copies per month, generating 1,226, and they've used the strategy of niching down. This one's titled 100 Things Every Designer Needs to Know About People, and they've niched down to designers, as in like by career category as well, and it's targeted towards adults, so they've niched down to adults and also sub niche to designers according to the job that these adults do. Another book right here, beautifully sitting at 3,617 is the bestseller rank, and we've discussed this also in a previous keyword, the first one that we talked about, and it's targeting teenage boys. Scrolling down as well, we have another one with 749 is the bestseller, and this one's selling a massive 2,520 copies per month, generating 6,189 per as in the monthly sales. But in terms of the royalty, it's generating $2.45 per sale, but sitting beautifully at 749 is amazing. Scrolling down as well, we are aiming to get books within the category that is relevant. This one's 68,000. This other one sitting at 18,000. We've got 581 as the bestseller, 6,213 as well, 7,322. All these books are not sponsored, and all of these books are selling quite consistently as well, and we've matched the requirement or fulfilled the requirement of getting at least 2 to 3 books on the first page with a bestseller rank of under 100,000. There are no ads running for these books that we've talked about as well, so that is also a great indicator of profitability. Now let's dive in to talk about our final keyword out of the 3 for the day, and this one is 1,000 things to be grateful for book. So it's a book about 1,000 things to be thankful for. My apologies, not grateful, but thankful. 1,000 things to be thankful for book has a total results of 55. Fabulous. It is also having a really good bestseller rank, under 100,000. Now, preferably we want it under 400,000. This one's even gone below that, and it's given us an average bestseller rank of 47,212. Average reviews are a whooping 2,847. Average price is $9.44. And we also have a keyword niche score by Amazon Scout Pro of number 8, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. I'm also going to go ahead and I'm going to ignore the 21 because it contradicts, it goes against the data that we have right here, all this beautiful juicy stuff. And I'm going to rely instead on the keyword niche score given by Amazon Scout Pro. It fits beautifully according to the stats that we have. Next thing that we want to aim for is to get a minimum of 2 to 3 books with a bestseller rank under 100,000. Scrolling down, we've got our first one with a bestseller rank of 38,815, and it's gone to the point where it's stated 14 things to be happy about. And scrolling down as well, we've got another one with 2,171 as the bestseller. We've got 492 as the bestseller, 32,000, 90,000, 18,000, 29,000 as well. We have 2,039, 2,122, 30,000. All the ones that I'm saying out loud has a bestseller rank of under 100,000. This one has 70,000, and this one's selling around 60 copies per month. Scrolling down further, that's it. We've actually found over 8 or more books with a bestseller rank under 100,000 for this wonderful keyword ranking on the first page. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a great day.